Good morning, kindergarten. I hope everyone had a great night last night. Let's get started. All right, here we go. Good morning, good morning. How are you today? We welcome you in a friendly way. Sing the days of the week with everybody, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days make a week, starting with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, let's count. See what today is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. It is May 7th. All righty, now, everyone look. What day of the week is it today? Today is Friday. What will tomorrow be? What comes after Friday? Friday. Saturday. Very good. Tomorrow will be Saturday. And if today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday. TH. Can you think of a TH word? Think, thought. Very good. All right. Let's do our straw. Okay. Yesterday we had 151 days of kindergarten. If I use the straw, one more in. 151 plus 1 is 152. If we count these, we have our giant bundle. There are 100 straws. So everyone say 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Very good. 151, 152. Good. All right, let's practice counting by twos really quick. Let's count what we have here. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. All righty. There's everything on there. Now, this week we have been doing long A words, long vowels. So, I have our flip chart here. Back that up a little so you can see it. And what we're going to do is I'm going to build some of these, and I want you to practice reading them. Remember, this here is our silent E. See how it's kind of white so you can see it, but it looks like it isn't really there? That means it doesn't make a sound, and that makes our A say its name. All right, let's start with let's see. Let's start with this one. Okay. Here, what is that nonsense word? Let's sound it out. B-a-k. B-a-k. Back. If I add the silent E, what is my new word? Back changes to b-ache. Bake. Good. Let's try another one. How about, we'll stay in this word family here for a minute. Aha. How about this one? Sound it out. Ack, cack. Add the silent E. What's my word? Cake. Good. Bake, cake. Let's get another one. Aha. How about this one? Nonsense word. Fack, fack. Now what is it? Ache, fake. Very good. Let's do one more here. We'll go to a new word family. Aha, how about this one? Lack, lack. Silent E changes to ache, lake. Good. All right, let's try another one here. How about this one? Okay, my nonsense word. Lan. Put the silent E on. What's my new word? Lane. Very good. Ah, how about this one? What's my word? An. Man changes to main. Ain. Very good. Well, let's try a few more. How about let's do it just all nonsense words. Let's try this. What's that say? Zan, good. Z and Zan. Add the E, what is it? Zane. Good job. All righty. Now next week, we will be having a new long vowel. So just to show you really quick how you can do this with all of our vowels. Let's see here. Oh, let's see. An E word. Here we go. First, what's that word? Me. Good. Now what? M. Mem. Add silent E, it changes to eem. Meme. All right, so there's an E one. How about im, mim? Add the silent E, changes to mime. Mime. I'm. Very good. Let's do an O one. Here we go. Op, mop, changes to mope. Good. Mope. Mope. Good job. And finally, we'll do a U one. Oh, let's see. Here's a nonsense word. Ready? What's my word? Puzz. Puzz changes to use. Pews. All right, kindergarten, good job this morning. I hope you enjoy the first day of our read aloud. We're going to be doing a chapter book. We're going to be reading Dinosaurs Before Dark. So have fun, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.